In this video, we are going to see examples of Bitquery Moonshot APIs. All the API links will be in the description along with the Bitquery Telegram channel link where you can ask your doubts. You can test the APIs on Bitquery ID. You just have to sign up as a developer and you will get 10,000 free points to run queries. We're going to see three APIs related to Moonshot in this tutorial. First one will be API to track DEX trades on Moonshot in real time. Second one will be API to get all the methods of Moonshot program. Third API will be track new pool creations on Moonshot in real time. Make sure this is EAP as we have Solana in EAP right now and we only have 8 to 10 hours of past data in Solana. Also the real time data we have. Now let's get started with the first API. In this query, we will track DEX trades on Moonshot in real time. Select Solana, then DEX trades, then put a filter for Moonshot DEX using where. In where set trade DEX protocol family as Moonshot. And also one more filter. Set transaction result success as true, as we don't want to get failed trades also. Now select the fields you need info about. Select trade, under trade, select buy, under buy select account, address, and also the token owner address. Amount, amount in USD for the buy token, currency which is bought. I'll just select the mint address, name, maybe URI and symbol also. Then price and price in USD for the buy currency. Select the DEX details under DEX. Select all the three: protocol name, protocol family, program address. Also select the market address, which is going to be our pair address. Select the sell side now. Under sell side, select the details just like buy side: address, token owner, amount in USD, amount, currency details of sell side, mint address, name, anything you want in all of these details. You can select price and price in USD. Select transaction signature also so that you can look the trade on Solscan. I'll just select one more thing, which is going to be block time to know the time when the trade was executed. Now just change this query keyword to subscription and you're good to go. Just run the query and you will see the trades happening on Moonshot in real time. I will just stop the query right now as I don't want to exhaust my points. Now moving on to the second API, we will be getting all the methods of the Moonshot program. Select Solana, then instructions. Under instructions, select where, and under this where keyword, select the instruction program address as Moonshot address. Now set the transaction result success as true, and now select the fields you need info about. So I need all the program methods that has been called for the past 8 hours, the count of that, each of that. So I'll select instruction under that program, under that method, and then I'll just add the count word. So I will get the count of each program method called in the past 8 hours. You can see the sell instruction method, buy instruction method, migrate funds, and this is token mint program method. So we will use the token mint program method to track the newly created pools or the tokens in Moonshot program. Now move on to the third API. In this we will track newly created tokens on Moonshot DEX. Select Solana, then instructions, and under instructions, select the filters using where. Put instruction program address as the Moonshot address. Select transaction result success as true, and filter for the program method named as token mint. Now select the fields you need info about. Select instruction. Under that, select program. Under that, select account names, address, arguments. Under argument, select value, type, name. For value, we select all of the data types: big, int, JSON, bool, float. All of these data types I have selected now. Select the method name. Select the transaction signature. You can select the logs also. And I'll select one more thing, which is accounts address and token, mint, owner, and program ID. So under this accounts array, I will get the newly created token mint address. I'll also select the block time to know when the transaction happened. Change the query keyword to sol, and now run this query. I'll stop the query because maybe right now no Moonshot token is being created. But if you run the subscription for long enough, you'll see the results. I don't want to exhaust my credits, so that's why I stopped it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.